Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Baking with Jakia.
Today I have this beautiful cake of strawberry and chocolate flavor combination. I will share the decoration. First I put milk in the cake. Now I will give chocolate cream. Now I give white cream. And add some strawberry pie filling. Check description box for the easiest strawberry pie filling recipe. Now I am put the another layer and do the same. Time to coat that cake and freezing. Crumb coat finished. Now I am freezing it. After freezing, I am coating the cake smoothly. Now I am clean the side of the cake. Here is my white chocolate glaze ganache. Now I am dripping the ganache on my freezing cake. Looking so delicious, also beautiful. Now I dripping my chocolate topper. Follow the video to completing the decoration. Our cake is ready. Now I am freezing my cake for whole night to get beautiful color. Here is my cake. Hope you like the video. Subscribe to my channel and like, comment, share. I love you guys so much. I will back with a new video. Pray for me and bye bye.